Hey everyone! Today we're taking a closer look at this classic, the Hiwatt 6 F22-9V battery, famously used in transistor radios. You've probably seen this around, but have you ever wondered what's really inside? Let's crack it. This Hiwatt battery is labeled as general purpose. It's a non-rechargeable 9-volt battery, often used for low-drain devices like radios or multimeters. The model number is 6F22, and it's a zinc-carbon cell type. Before we open it up, safety first. I'm wearing gloves and goggles. Do not try this at home unless you're supervised and know what you're doing. These batteries can leak harmful chemicals. I'm using some tools to gently peel away the metal casing. You'll want to be very careful not to puncture anything inside. Inside, we find 6 small cylindrical cells. These are basically quadruple A size zinc carbon cells. They're wired in series to make up the 9-volt output. You can also see the terminal cap connected to metal strips. These thin metal connectors link the 6 mini cells together, plus a bit of insulating cardboard to keep everything secure. So there you have it. The Hiwatt 6 F22-9V battery isn't just one big cell. It's a clever pack of 6 tiny ones. This teardown is a neat reminder of how simple components can power everyday devices. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like and subscribe for more. Thank you.